I'll introduce Oro-Tube. So we have two variants in Oro-Tube. One is yellow one and another is red one. And two variants will come next month. That is green and blue variant. So yellow is softer, red is harder. So how to use Oro-Tube? Basically, I use water before using Oro-Tube. So I dip the Oro-Tube into water. It gives a good feeling to children. Oro-Tube is used basically first to assess the jaw alignment and jaw strength, and second to correct if jaw is misaligned and if the strength of the jaw is weak. So to assess, we have to check. We have to put the stem of the Oro-Tube like this. Start with the left side. Children has to bite it. Okay. Then 5 times right side. Now in this exercise, we have to observe and see whether children is able to bite properly or not. If he is biting properly, then his lower and upper jaw's movement would be like this. It should not be like this. If he is not able to bite it properly, then definitely his upper and lower jaw would glide on each other. It should not glide. Gliding is not the proper biting. Proper biting is movement of the upper jaw onto the lower jaw, like this. Now we also have to see whether he can bite equally from left or right or not. Suppose he bites properly 5 times from left side, but he can't bite properly from right side. It means his right is weak and left is okay. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to exercise like this: 5 times right side, left side, and 10 times right side, so that we can align the jaw, the strength of the jaw. Like this. Times, and we have to repeat this exercise for 2 or 3 times depending upon his strength, and gradually we'll increase the cycle so that both becomes similar in terms of strength and stability. Once he becomes perfect in yellow, then we can switch into red Oro-Tube. And see, when children bites, so these tubes become a bit impression comes in Oro-Tube, but this is not permanent. This is temporary. If I put this into water and make it proper, so it becomes proper. So nothing to worry. Now it has become proper, and we can also use 2 Oro-Tube to check to assess the jaw, like this. We can direct individual to bite for a second, and we will pull it off and see whether force to pulling is same or not. Okay. It means jaw is perfectly aligned. If left or right is weakened, then definitely it comes out from the jaw. It means right side is weak, left side is strong. So now the assessment is done. Now, how to use Oro-Tube to correct the jaw? First is the 5 and 10 times what I have said, and second one is we can also use, we have to put Oro-Tube in such a way that narrower side will go to stronger side and wider side will go to weaker side, and we have to insert it like this. And Oro-Tube is also used to widen the mouth. Suppose children has mouth is very small and not explode, then we have to insert Oro-Tube to, by that way we can widen his mouth also. But care should be taken. We have to insert Oro-Tube alternatively, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for batting exercise, you have to insert Oro-Tube onto the molar teeth, premolar teeth and molar teeth, like this. Not on canine teeth or incisors teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4. If individual is able to do with yellow Oro-Tube properly, then we can switch over into red tube. Red tube is harder. 1, 2. We can also insert Oro-Tube like this to widen the mouth. Suppose children is very small and I'm 2 years and 2.5 years and he cannot take it inside his or her mouth. So we can cut the stem also with soft knife. It becomes smaller, length becomes shorter, and then we can use it.